Hi, my name is Gaurav Biswas. I'm the founder and CEO of Trucker. I've been doing, I've been engaged with Aditya and his mission of, getting AI qualified for 1 million people since December 2023 when I first did a one-day training with him. It was great, and that's what got me to do again a refresher and probably also get updated with what's going on in the world of AI that's rapidly changing with this one, which is a 2-day course. I highly recommend this kind of a training session for all leaders, whether you are in a technology company like me running Trucker, which is a high-tech business, versus a normal enterprise, which also might have a lot of automation and process improvements that are possible. So, if you're a leader or you're not a leader or a manager, I think AI is going to transform everything and every profession over time. Use Aditya's effort towards getting the world educated on AI, with coming through these training sessions and making the most of it. I am very glad that I did this, and I would look forward to keep engaging with the Vijal Institute.